What's up guys, Via here from AppGeeker. Today I'm gonna show you how to unlock iPhone with iTunes. This tutorial is helpful to unlock a disabled iPhone when you enter the wrong passwords too many times. You can also use the same steps here to unlock your iPhone if you forgot your passcode and you are locked out of your device completely. Alright, now here's an iPhone 6 that is disabled and I will use it to show you how to unlock your iPhone with iTunes step by step. Note that after unlocking your disabled iPhone and your locked device, you will lose all the data unless you have had a backup of the data in either iCloud or iTunes to restore from. Okay, first use an USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer and launch iTunes or Finder. If the iTunes or Finder can detect your device, you can directly click your iPhone in iTunes or Finder and then hit the restore button to unlock your iPhone. If not, disconnect your iPhone from computer and put it into recovery mode. The following steps can be used to put iPhone 6, 5S or below models into recovery mode to unlock it. If you are using iPhone 7, 8 or newer models, follow the instructions in the description below or click the card in the top left corner of this video to enter the recovery mode. Alright, first power off your iPhone. Keep pressing the power button. When you see the power off slider, move it to turn off the device. Then keep holding the home button while connecting your device to the computer. Release the button when your iPhone shows a computer icon with USB cable. Now your iPhone is in recovery mode. iTunes or Finder should detect your iPhone and ask if you want to update or restore your iPhone. To unlock iPhone 6 with iTunes, click Restore in the dialog box. Then hit Restore and Update. Press the next button and hit Agree. Now iTunes or Finder will start downloading the iOS software, which may take 15 to 20 minutes to finish. Once done, it will start extracting the software and then preparing iPhone for restore. Now as you can see, the Apple logo shows up on your iPhone. Then iTunes or Finder will start restoring the software from the iPhone you are trying to unlock. Wait patiently until the progress bar goes to the end. Once finished, click OK button. Your iPhone will restart and it means that your iPhone is unlocked now. After unlocking your phone through iTunes, the next step is to set it up. Open your iPhone, choose the language and select your country. Here, tap Set up manually. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Tap Continue. Tap Set up later in Settings. Create a passcode for unlocking your iPhone. When you are in Apps and Data screen, if you have a backup in iCloud or iTunes, you can tap Restore from iCloud Backup or Restore from Mac or PC to get better data. If not, choose Don't Transfer Apps and Data. Then finish the following on-screen programs and then you will get access to your device again. Aside from using iTunes to unlock your device, iPhone Unlocker is also a reliable option to unlock your iPhone, iPad, Apple Touch by removing the lock screen passcode, screen time passcode, Touch ID, Face ID, Apple ID, and more. To get this software, go to appgeeker.com, find iPhone Unlocker, and download the tool on your PC or Mac. Once installed, open the tool and connect your iPhone to the computer. Click on the Wipe Passcode panel. Next, hit Start button. If the tool can't detect your iPhone, put it into recovery mode first. Here, confirm your device information, then press the Start button. Then the program will start downloading the firmware package. When it completes, read the warning carefully. Then enter 0000 and press the Unlock button to start unlocking your iPhone. Once done, set it up as a new phone or restore from iTunes or iCloud Backup. Alright guys, that's it for using iTunes or Finder to unlock your device. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe AppGeeker's channel for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.